Hello and welcome to the workshop for a Friday show and tell. Today is going to be a tool tip on using clamps, specifically clamps that are not long enough. Like probably most homeowners, I don't deal with a lot of large items, so I don't have a lot of large clamps or long clamps. I have a bunch of these smaller quick clamps, the quick grip clamps. So this is a tip to use whenever you need to have a larger span, and I learned this watching my brother-in-law. When I saw him do it, I thought to myself, why hadn't I ever seen anyone do this before, or why didn't I know about this? So I'm going to use this today as I'm repairing this rocking chair that our daughter likes to use. I was cleaning up tonight and saw that it had come apart here, so just going to glue it with some wood glue. I'm working a little backwards today than I normally do because better camera angle. But really just going to squirt the wood glue in there. And of course, there it goes. Spread that around on the post. Have to run inside and grab some wet towels maybe. All right, well that's coming out the bottom too, so it's going to be really the post that's going to be glued. I hadn't noticed that it wasn't glued up into the base. Alright, so let's knock this in there. Yeah, it's a lot. Alright, hammer it in. I will get that cleaned up here after we clamp it. Now here is the tool tip. Clamp's not long enough. You can interlock those two clamps together. And grab the material fairly well. That is going to be enough to put tension on it, or compressive force, to hold those together. Let me give me some water here and I'll finish cleaning that up. All right, that's cleaned up fairly well, and that'll set up overnight. All right, so thanks for joining me today in the workshop for the Friday show and tell. Again, if you've got a couple of clamps, link them together, make it a longer clamp if you got to go across the larger span. If you liked what you saw today in the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more content from the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and list those below. Thanks and have a great day.